Battle for ballot in Bihar brought forth Prime Minister Narendra Modi's response to attacks by critics over silence on the Dadri incident on Thursday. Though the Prime Minister did not refer to the incident directly, he urged people to fight poverty and not each other and pay no heed to hate speeches.
The Prime Minister chose his last stop for the day while campaigning in Bihar at Nawada to silence the critics over the Dadri incident. Without naming Dadri, he urged people not to pay heed to hate speeches and to follow the path of plurality suggested by President Pranab Mukherjee.
हम तय कर लें, क्या हिंदुओं ने मुसलमान के खिलाफ लड़ना है कि गरीबी के खिलाफ लड़ना है? मुसलमान तय कर लें कि हिंदू के खिलाफ लड़ना है कि गरीबी के खिलाफ लड़ना है। और मैंने बम धमाकों के बीच रक्त रंजित गांधी मैदान में खड़े होकर के कहा था, हमारे देश का भला तब होगा हिंदू और मुसलमान एक होकर के हम गरीबी के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़े, हम गरीबी को परास्त करें।
The President had on Wednesday called on the nation to preserve core values of diversity, tolerance and plurality.
Many ancient civilizations have collapsed. But despite aggression after aggression, long foreign rules, the Indian society, Indian civilization has survived because of its core civilizational values and adherence to it. And we must keep that in mind. And if we keep that in mind, nothing can prevent our democracy to move on.
The situation in Dadri is now normal, with locals asserting that there has never been any discord amongst communities in the area. The UP government has submitted a report to the centre and is investigating the matter, arresting 8 out of 10 accused so far. The centre on its part has issued an advisory to all states to ensure zero tolerance to acts that threaten the secular fabric of the nation and exploit religious sentiments. All in all, the Prime Minister's threefold message at Nawada was loud and clear: ignore inflammatory statements, focus on growth and battling poverty instead, and live up to President Pranab Mukherjee's call to maintain the plural fabric of India. DD News.